Okay. Factors influencing ionospheric radio signal propagation can include sporadic E, spread F, solar flares, geomagnetic storms, ionospheric layer tilts, and solar proton events. Now, this is significant because they're showing you the various things that can affect their ability to send an analog signal around the world. Now, the one that is most compelling is this one, ionospheric layer tilts. Okay, now what we already learned is that the ionosphere is the outer part of the Earth's atmosphere. The ionosphere is the air that we breathe, and that's attached to the Earth. So in order for the ionospheric layer to tilt, well, that would mean that the Earth is tilting. In order to determine if whether or not the Earth's axis was shifting, there's really only one place to look, and that's the Astronomical Almanac for the year 2009. Okay, so as of February 17th, 2009, the true obliquity of the ecliptic, 23.26. Okay, so we go here to February 17th, and we cool. We at 23 degrees. That's within parameters. However, when you go down to March 31st, you see our obliquity drops to 22 degrees. Now what that means is from February 17th, 2009 to March 31st, 2009, the Earth's tilt descended in that 41 days and that 41 nights 1 degree.
That's a crack of malarkey. If radiation flooded the Earth for 40 days and 40 nights, then surely people would have got sick and suffering from the symptoms of radiation sickness.
You're absolutely right, Malarkey Mike. Which is why in March of 2009, the government was issuing travel warnings and restrictions, and they was telling you don't go to Mexico because the people down in Mexico are suffering from a new disease. We're going to call the disease swine flu. The symptoms reported are vomiting, diarrhea, myalgia, headache, chills, fatigue, and dyspnea. Now, it just so happens that the symptoms of radiation exposure are nausea, malaise, listlessness, fatigue, vomiting, dyspnea, and fever. So the same exact symptoms for radiation are the symptoms of swine flu. So that's further corroborating evidence that for 41 days and 41 nights, a thin cosmic rain showered the Earth. I realize that you've presented an overwhelming amount of evidence thus far that the Earth is tilting and that the effects are causing devastation on our planet. But I'm a monkey, and I still don't believe you. Why, yes, I too exhibit the characteristics of an overwhelming intellectual acumen, and I too remain skeptical of your conclusions.